Guys, it's Skylar, and today I'll be showing you how to make decals. So first, what you want to do is go to inventory, then go all the way down to decals, then press get more. Then you go to my creations, decals, then you press choose file. So you could choose your own pictures, or you can look up a picture on Google. Well, of course, I'm going to look up a picture on Google. So let's type up anything. Like this. Just find just something, and what you want to do is right click it and this will open. So what you want to do is press save image as and type up your image and press save. So now what you want to do is go back to Roblox, then you press choose file. This would have been somewhere. Okay, it's okay. Quick access. Okay, here we go. It's going to be in one of your files. There you go. And you can name it whatever you want. And then you press upload. Successfully created. Won't show us yet because it's loading. But this is how you sell it. So you can type any description you want, and then you put free item. Hey, there you go. And then I'm pretty sure you sold. Yeah, allow comments. You sold it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you.